People are becoming millionaires using AI these days, so why not you? 99% of people have no idea about these AI tools. Only the smartest 1% know them. Watch this video till the end, and you'll join that 1%. AI is the new search, and your brand might be invisible without you even knowing. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that more videos like this can easily reach you. Let's start the video. Our first AI tool, Answer Engine Optimization Tools. AI will track your presence in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Features: prompt level visibility, citation intelligence, sentiment analysis, schema diagnostics, and AI blind spot detection. That's how you see when a chatbot pushes a competitor instead of you. Top tools right now: HubSpot, Ahrefs, ClearScope, Nudge. 5.5 is here, and it's not just another chatbot. This is a whole new class of intelligence. As of May 2026, it's OpenAI's latest frontier model, built for complex professional work, coding, and real agentic tasks. That means it can actually use the computer with you, see the screen, click, type, and navigate through multi-step workflows on its own. And it's fast too, same per token latency as previous models, but with a massive 1,050,000 token context window. So what does that mean for platforms like Moodle? Huge opportunities. First, automated content creation, generating entire lesson plans, interactive quizzes, and structured course materials. Second, data analysis, spotting learning gaps from student performance reports and offering personalized feedback. And third, workflow automation, handling repetitive admin tasks so educators can focus on teaching. This isn't just a tool. It's a co-pilot that turns messy inputs into clean plans, reports, and even spreadsheet models. GPT 5.5 inside Codex can generate documents, slides, and more, making it a powerful partner for any learning environment. From automating the routine to unlocking creativity, GPT 5.5 is changing what's possible inside Moodle. 26. OpenAI just dropped a whole new suite of voice models, and they're alive. I'm talking real-time, human-like conversation. Not that call and response robot stuff. These agents can listen, reason, and act while they talk. It's like finally getting a coworker who actually finishes your sentences without being annoying. Check this out. GPT Realtime 2 runs on GPT 5 class reasoning. That means it holds context through a long customer service call or a tutoring session. It remembers what you said 10 minutes ago. And the custom voices, you just give it a short audio sample and boom, brand specific, or even your voice. Kinda wild, right? The emotional tone is the real game changer. The model can be calm when you're frustrated, sympathetic when you're down, or enthusiastic when you're excited. It doesn't just understand your words, it feels the moment. Like a real human on the other end, but one who never gets tired. Voice to action. That's the killer feature. Imagine an agent that says, "Let me check your refund status," and while it's talking, it's actually doing it. Pulling from a database, processing the refund. All without missing a beat. It doesn't pause, it just flows. That's how customer service should have always been. Live translation, handled. GPT Realtime Translate supports 70 input languages, gives you audio out in 13, and it keeps up with regional accents, even fast talkers. Perfect for a business meeting in Tokyo or a clinic in Mexico City. It doesn't stutter, it just works in real time. And for live captions or instant action, there's GPT Realtime Whisper. Streaming speech to text, super low latency. No more waiting for a batch to finish. You speak, it types while you speak. Perfect for live events, court reporting, or just giving your ears a break. So whether you're building a voice agent for your brand, a tutor that actually listens, or a translator that doesn't drop the ball, OpenAI's new audio models are ready. Natural, fast, human. Go try them. 3 is here. 1 million token context, native video analysis, and it actually thinks before it answers. Lower hallucinations, faster reasoning, like having a sharp, reliable partner who doesn't make stuff up. 71 tokens per second, but the real story, agency tool use. Grok can call external tools, act on its own, and handle legal or finance documents like a pro. That's enterprise-grade intelligence, without the attitude. And the price, $1.25 per million input tokens. With prompt caching, you save up to 90% on repetitive tasks. Available on Azure, Vercel, and the Grok web platform. So yeah, powerful, affordable, and application is Codex with Chrome. Codex can now control your actual Chrome browser. It uses your logged-in accounts LinkedIn, Salesforce, Gmail, opens tabs, fills forms, even researches across multiple tabs without messing up your work. And it always asks permission first. Setting it up is easy. Just add the Chrome plugin in Codex, install the extension, and say at Chrome followed by what you need. Like at Chrome, open Salesforce and update the account. It groups its own tabs, so your workflow stays clean. Security built in. Codex treats every page as untrusted and asks for your consent before accessing new sites. It uses your cookies and sessions, so no relogging in. It's like handing your browser to a careful assistant who actually listens.